Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Prezi in 2025. So if you are tired of the boring slides and you want to make your presentations that actually grab the attention, Prezi is perfect for you. So let's just see how it is going to help you and how you can start creating the stunning presentations right away. So first of all, you need to come here on prezi.com. Over here, you are going to see this type of section in front of you. So as I've told you earlier, Prezi is an AI powered presentation tool that lets you design the dynamic Zoom style presentations instead of the flat slides. It mainly focuses on the storytelling, moving smoothly between the topics to keep your audience engaged. You can think of it like Google Slides, but with motion, animation, and automatic layout organization. So here in 2025, it will be very easy for you to generate the presentations because they have also integrated AI into it. So over here in this section, you need to simply start describing your presentation. For example, let's say I've added this particular prompt over here. Now, if I click on the option of create with AI, it is going to ask me to describe the presentation mode. So I'm going to be entering the same prompt over here. Now, before giving you the response, it is going to ask you to create your account. So here you simply provide your first name, your last name, your email address, then create a strong password for your account, select your occupation, and then select the department in which you are working, studying, or anything else. You can also sign up here with the help of your Google account, Facebook account, your Apple ID, Slack, and your Microsoft account. So whichever option you choose over here for signing up, it is going to take some time and generate the presentation in front of you. So this way you will be able to start using Prezi in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.